Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and doing exercise regularly. I welcome you all to my skill development class once again. So children, today we are going to learn about healthy and unhealthy food.
But before starting the topics, let's enjoy together.
What are healthy food? Let's find out. Healthy food, who are you? I am the one that is good for you. I make you grow tall and strong and give you energy all day long. Then, what is junk food? Let's ask about it. Junk food, who are you? I am the one that is bad for you. I make you weak and very sick. You become lazy and are no more quick. So students, have you enjoyed the song? Oh yes. So now I'll show you some healthy foods. See students, these all are healthy food. What is this? These are fruits, right? What fruit is this? Yes, this is banana. It is yellow in color. Very good. What is this? Yes, this is guava. It is green in color. Very good. This is cucumber. This is green in color. Very good. How many cucumber is there? Yes, 2 cucumber is there, right? 1 and 2. So, here so many fruits are there, right? Now, what are these? These are green vegetables. See students, this is papaya. This is papaya. This is lady's finger. And this is capsicum, right? These all are green vegetables, isn't it? And what is this? These are an eggs, white in color. How many eggs are there, students? Very good. 1, 2. 2 eggs are there. So, these all are healthy food. Every day we should eat healthy food because it makes us strong and energetic and it protects us from disease also. Okay? Very good. Except these, so many healthy foods are there like milk, juice, fish, pulses, etc. Okay students? Now I'll show you some unhealthy or junk food which is not good for our health. See students, these all are unhealthy or junk food. This is noodles. This is chocolate. This is cold drinks.
Except these, so many unhealthy foods are there.
Like burger, pizza, cheese, street food, french fry, chips, etc. Remember students, we should not eat too much of junk food because it makes us become sick and weak. Okay? Oof! We studied a lot. Now it's story time. Do you want to hear the story? Okay, let's begin. Long time ago, a family lived in a city and grandparents along with their mummy and papa. 8 years old Anshu and 7 years old Manju are there in the family. Both the kids were very much fond of junk food. Therefore, they used to eat pizza and burger all the time and refused to eat any fruits or vegetables. Anshu said, "No, I don't like fruits and vegetables at all. We like only pizza and burger." But children, if you won't eat any fruits and vegetables, then your eyesight will become poor and you have to wear specs in such a small age. But they never used to listen their mother. They said, no, we don't like fruits and vegetables. One day, the mother explained them very lovingly. Our eyesight becomes strong by eating fruits and green vegetables. And if your eyesight becomes poor, then you have to wear specs all the time. Mother's affection word convinced to Manju to eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, mom, from now I will eat fruits and vegetables every day. But Angshu refused to listen to his mother. No, mom, I like pizza burger, therefore I will eat that only.
Now mother stopped explaining Angshu, and many days passed. Manju started eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, fish, etc. daily. But Angshu like before eats only junk food like pizza, burger, etc. One day Angshu teacher asked him in school, Angshu, come on, solve the question on the blackboard. When Angshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything very blurred. He rubbed his eyes and looked once again, but still he found everything blurred. Teacher angrily scolded to Angshu when he unable to answer. Angshu, are you not able to solve this easy question also? Wait, I call your parents to school right now. Then teacher left the classroom. She made a phone call, and after some time Angshu's mommy papa came to school. When his parents called to Angshu regarding his study, then Angshu started crying and said, I know that answer, mommy and papa, but I didn't see properly what's written on the board. Then mother said angrily, I told you before, you should eat fruits and vegetables. See, your eyesight becomes so poor. Then Angshu said, sorry mom, from today I will eat fruits and vegetables daily. After that, his father got his spectacle made like this. By eating fruits and vegetables, Manju's eyesight went normal. But not eating fruits and vegetables, Angshu's had to wear spectacles. So students, I hope through this story you better understood that healthy food is very important for our health. Isn't it? Very good. So up to this much for today. Eat healthy. Stay healthy.